Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Washington, D.C., exploring one of the most fascinating and beautiful places in the entire city, the Library of Congress, the National Library of the United States. The Library of Congress was founded in 1800, making it the oldest federal cultural institution in the country. It originally started with a small collection, but during the War of 1812, British troops burned the Capitol in 1814, destroying the original library. After that devastating fire, Thomas Jefferson stepped in and sold his personal library to Congress. His collection of 6,487 books became the foundation of the massive library we know today. The Library of Congress has three main buildings here on Capitol Hill: the Thomas Jefferson Building, the John Adams Building, and the James Madison Memorial Building. The Jefferson Building, where we are right now, is absolutely breathtaking. Its architecture blends Renaissance Revival and Beaux-Arts styles and is filled with stunning murals, sculptures, and mosaics that celebrate knowledge, art, and creativity. After exploring the main halls, we made our way to the Treasures Gallery, home to the David M. Rubenstein Rare Collections, where some of the most valuable and historic items are displayed. We also visited Thomas Jefferson's personal library, a beautiful circular exhibit showcasing many of the books he once owned, the very collection that helped rebuild the Library of Congress after the fire. And now we've arrived at the main reading room. This is the heart of the library, and truly one of the most stunning rooms in all of Washington, D.C. The towering dome, detailed statues, and peaceful atmosphere make it feel like stepping into a temple of learning. Anyone can visit, and you can even apply for a reader's card if you'd like to study here in person. But the Library of Congress isn't just beautiful, it's absolutely enormous. It holds over 170 million items, including books, manuscripts, maps, photographs, newspapers, music, and films. Some of its most famous treasures include a draft of the Declaration of Independence, a Gutenberg Bible, and the papers of Abraham Lincoln. What's really impressive is how the library has embraced the digital age. You don't even have to be in Washington, D.C. to explore it. Through the Library of Congress digital collections, you can browse millions of items online, perfect for students, researchers, and anyone who loves history and culture. If you're planning a trip to Washington, D.C., the Library of Congress is definitely a must-see. Admission is free, and the experience is unforgettable. Whether you're a book lover, a history enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates incredible architecture, this place truly has something for everyone. So that's our tour of the Library of Congress, one of America's greatest treasures and a true symbol of knowledge and culture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.